In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a OneDrive file into Notion so it displays as a clean, interactive preview. Perfect for quick reference and teamwork. Start by heading to your OneDrive and finding the file you want to surface in Notion. This can be a document, spreadsheet, presentation, or even a PDF. Right-click the file and choose Share or Copy Link. Either option works. The key is making sure the link lets people view the file. In the sharing window, double-check the permission settings if you just want people to see the file in Notion without making changes. Set it to view only. If your organization uses restricted links, ensure your account has access, or switch to a setting like Anyone with the link can view. If that's allowed by your admin. When you are comfortable with the permissions, copy the link. Now, open the Notion page where you want the file to appear. Click into the page and paste the link on its own line. Notion will recognize it and pop up a small menu with options for how to handle the link. Choose Paste as Preview. This tells Notion to create a rich preview block rather than just a simple hyperlink. You'll see a card-style block appear with the file's name, type, and a quick way to open it in OneDrive when you need the full app experience. This preview is great for keeping your Notion pages clean while still giving your team immediate context. If you are prompted to authorize, sign in to your Microsoft account to grant Notion permission to view the file. This is a standard one-time connection for your workspace or user account. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm the access request, and wait a moment while Notion completes the connection. If you work in a managed environment, you might see an admin consent screen. Just proceed according to your organization's policy. Once authorized, the preview should load automatically. If the preview doesn't appear right away, refresh the Notion page or verify the file's sharing permissions in OneDrive. Small changes like switching from restricted to view only often resolve loading issues. Also keep in mind that large files may take a moment to render, especially if your internet connection is slow. That's all there is to it. Copy the link from OneDrive. Paste it into Notion, choose Paste as Preview, and authorize if asked. You now have a tidy, live preview of your OneDrive file inside Notion, ready for your notes, tasks, and collaboration. Thanks for watching.